In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I saved this Junkyard Bronco and turned it into my dream ride in the span of 3 years. Stay tuned.
The new project, it's a 79 Bronco Ranger XLT. Tons of rust, like body needs a lot of work. A tube bumper for the Bronco. It was just like $100. I was like, sure, why not? We have steering. Oh man, does this look amazing. I actually ended up picking up 2 doors. Actually got my hands on a frame. I just need these 2 pieces. Frame completely slid out from under the body. And the frame actually looks really good.
Yeah, you're good in the back.
This is definitely a good choice for a parts truck. We have the yoke on this transfer case that I've been looking for forever. This cross member is not meant for a Bronco, so I need this one. It's the same. Just going nuts, like want this done so bad. So this is my front one. It's in, loose. This is the rear one. As you can see, we got 1 hole, 2. We got the diff out, leaf springs off, stripped it down. We got Jared and Glenn. Oh, looks really good.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
We got the rear diff back on. New U-bolts, new drums, new everything basically.
We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old.
Here's the engine, guys, out on the ground. We got the frame sanded down to where we stopped last time. First try, nailed it. Oh man, it's just, look at that. All dirt. That's a pile of dirt. We already got the top one out. You can see we're going through to the bottom one. stick right through, give it a few pops. Once you get it started, and like that, nowhere near as bad as it was before. This was all out of the passenger side. Woo, baby! No play at all. That bow in the old one, that's insane. Fuel lines in, brand new shocks, Rancho RS 5000s. The front steering is perfect. Everything's new. Patch, 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 patch. We got our frame savers welded on. Look at it, guys. Can you believe it? Brand new floor. Completely patched. It is the long weekend, and I've been working on this every day. Looks so good. Ooh, baby. Oh, I don't even know what to say, guys. This is literally a dream come true. I think it'll fire. I have hope it'll fire. Here is the issue right here. Cut wire. Woo! Oh, she's mint. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Woo! Yoo-hoo! Three coats. Looks so good. Wow. I mean, there's not much left of it because I already chopped it once, but hey, it's looking like a brand new rig right now. And that's not even properly lined up. Woo. We got the 35s on. But it's basically fully ready to go. I've completed the insides. Like, I'm all for trying to save stuff, but this is just an absolute goner. It is terrible. There's rust everywhere, but it's a gone, 100%.
Look at that. Clean.
See, when I push, that back side is good, but you can see the bubbles coming out on the front towards my hand. Looky there, we got some brake fluid through. The fact that I can literally fire this thing up and drive it just blows my mind. Like I from 2 years ago, I couldn't even picture just the state of this thing. There's no way. We got another hole here. Come on, don't rest this lip away. Okay, that's good. Oh geez, rotted out. It's not the end of the world. I didn't show any of this, mostly because I didn't know what I was doing. Just a frickin' beast. Easy. Side, we got this hole. I have a bunch of pictures I'll be putting up. We got this hole here gone. This huge hole. I just have to make sure this is nice, just like the factory, kind of like a 90. Got those new Amazon fenders on. They don't line up perfect, but good enough for me, honestly. What just happened?
It just died. Dude, like out of nowhere.
Got dirt on the tires, a little dusty. We're down at the farm. So guys, we got this in. It's all ready to roll.
Just a reminder guys, all these clips that you are seeing, they all have a full video dedicated to them on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in in-depth videos of how stuff gets done, check out the playlist. I'll leave it in the link below.
You gotta make it happen. You know how it is out here. You want to do it, you gotta get it done. So let's get driving.
All right, guys, we are on our way. I'm about 30 minutes or 40 minutes into Abbotsford. Traffic's awful.
Just waiting on the gate to finally pick the Bronco up.
Holy dude, look at that thing. Oh my gosh.
Got the Bronco home in the garage.
See if we can get to the speed limit. Let's see what the sign says we're going, actually. That's better than nice now.
I cannot believe how fast time goes. I remember when I bought this Bronco, I was like, I can't wait to make that video of restoring my vehicle in set amount of minutes. Like that was a video I had right from the beginning because I was like, it's gonna be so cool to see the progress, and I just can't believe it. Time goes by so fast, guys. Don't waste it. If I can build this truck, you guys can. I am not a mechanic by any means. I'm not a body shop. I'm not anything. You guys can build it. So if you're seeing this, and I know when I was watching videos, these type of videos motivated me. If you're seeing this, get after it. Don't let your dreams wait. They're not going to chase you. You got to chase them. Me by myself. No one telling me I have to do it. No one telling me to work on it. It's all me. I wanted this. I wanted to get it done. And that's what it takes. The majority was myself. My buddies helped with some of it as well. And I'm really thankful for that. I did get the power steering box rebuilt professionally, front windshield installed professionally, and I got the paint job done professionally. Those are the only three things that anybody else touched my Bronco for. And I'm so proud of myself. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like. This was like 50 clips mashed together. It took forever to make. So if you appreciate that, drop a like for me. If you like the Bronco, it's not done by any means. The videos are just going to be a little bit slower now. I don't have like everyday content for you. But subscribe. We're going to be 4-barrel. Engine comes out, trans, we need to rebuild because the reverse is I appreciate all of you who've been following the build. All of these clips you've seen are separate videos. I'll leave the playlist in the description. So if you want to see any videos specifically, you can check out the playlist. And for instance, if you want to check out how I did the quarter panels, there's a video on that. Thanks, guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.